Hi guys, it's Jess and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of my daily cleaning routines, along with some things to get prepped for spring cleaning. Okay, so you all know the first thing I do when I start cleaning is make my bed, but today in preparation to do some spring cleaning, I am taking all the sheets and the blankets and pillowcases off of my pillows, and I'm going to just go ahead and wash them so I have clean bedding when I start spring cleaning. The laundry detergent I'm using is made by Method. It is in the ginger mango scent, and I'm also using the fabric softener and the scent boosters in the same scent. I love the smell of this detergent. It smells so good, and it for sure gets you in the mood to do some spring cleaning. So we have not officially started to spring clean around the house. This is just kind of like a preparation so I can get really down to the deep spring cleaning. But I wanted to know what you guys do in preparation to spring clean. Do you guys prep or do anything, or do you guys just like get straight into it and go for like the deep, in-depth cleaning? And if you guys do spring clean, I want to know, what is your favorite thing to clean? What is the most satisfying sigh of relief to have done after you get done spring cleaning? Okay, so be patient with me. My tripod will not reach over here, but these windowsills are disgusting. They're so nasty. Cannot tell you the last time we cleaned these. And I'm trying to hold the camera and record this while I do it, but I'm using the Thieves Cleaner from Young Living, and it works so well. And I find it really helps too with like keeping them clean, because after I clean them with this, it doesn't get as dirty, I don't think, as fast as it does with just like any other cleaner. So this is actually the next day. We got really busy yesterday and I didn't get to finish. So I'm just taking this lint roller and going over my mattress cover real quick, just to pick up any like little pieces of fuzz or hair. And does anybody else struggle with trying to get their fitted sheet on their bed? I really don't like how my bed has to be pushed up against the wall, but that's the only way it'll fit. But I always struggle with finding the correct way to put on my fitted sheet. I always put it on the short way and then it won't reach. but I'm just going to go ahead and put all of my bedding back on my bed, and it feels so nice to have just clean, fresh sheets on my bed. Another thing I'm doing to get in the swing of spring cleaning is cleaning off the front porch. We have not cleaned off the front porch in forever, and it has surely shown it. It is a mess, and it really needed to be done. It was really overdue. So I just started by taking everything off the front porch, and then we pressure washed it later. So this was before we done any pressure washing. You can definitely tell where our mat was and also where that milk jug was setting. It had a ring around it where it had sat there so long, and obviously we hadn't cleaned up around there. But this was the porch after we got done pressure washing. You can tell it took off some of the paint off of concrete on the floor, but that was okay. We're planning on painting it this year. We haven't painted it in a couple years, so it is very overdue. And it also took some of the paint off of the rails, but like I said, we're gonna paint it this year, so that was completely fine. When it takes up some of like that dirt on the rail, it chips the paint sometimes too, which is completely understandable. So this is just all the stuff that has got to be cleaned and put back on the porch. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know it had been a while since I had posted, but I promise I will try not to go MIA as often or as long as this past time. I truly appreciate you guys coming and spending some time with me today. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy at home and getting some of those things you want to get done that you never get done because you don't have time to do them. Hope you guys have a very blessed day, and I will see you guys in the next one.